Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you my top 10 Singapore favorite food. If you guys are new here, my name is Estee and I'm a Singaporean living in Sweden. My most favorite videos in my channel is hainanese chicken rice. This is my mom's secret recipe. She's a hainanese, so she taught me how to do this when I was a teenager. I felt like this is a recipe that I should pass on to my next generation, which is my daughter. So you will see how I taught her how to cook hainanese chicken rice. Chicken rice is a very popular food that we eat on Chinese New Year, on birthday. Some hainanese chicken rice can be really complicated. So in this video, I try to make it as simple as possible so that it is more enjoyable when you cook them. My second video is Yong tofu. It's actually a fillings with fish paste in vegetables and tofu and many other ingredients. This is a recipe that I got from a really good friend of mine from Singapore, and actually he won the contest and I was so happy for him. So I like this recipe because I find that his style is really authentic. And I also mentioned about the sauce. So sauce is very difficult to duplicate. So I found an easy recipe and simpler way for you to make this effortlessly. My top 3 Singapore favorite food is chicken curry. We eat curry chicken a lot of time in a year, and in fact, I must eat them at least 1 or 2 times in a month. And my partner, LG, he loves it too. As some people may find that making curry chicken is really troublesome. But in this video, I try to share with you the lazy way so that you could enjoy this meal effortlessly. Siam is a Malaysian noodle dish. It is slightly spicy, a little bit tangy. Gravy is very important in this dish, so you want to master making a really good gravy. Whereas the other ingredient like the bihun, which is the rice noodle, it is different kind of thickness. Some people like to use a thicker one. For me, I prefer to use a thinner one. And in this video, you will learn how to do that. It's a really comforting food for many Singaporeans. Char tiao kuey. Char tiao kuey, it means in Hokkien, it's fried carrot cake. The base fried carrot cake was really easy to do, and I'm so glad that many of you have tried that video and liked that video, and never stop asking questions, and I'm so happy to know that you get some success in this video. Dim sum is something we all like in Singapore, so I have made a few dim sum recipe. One of my favorite one is this baozi, and also in this video I also make some small buns with eyes and ears. And if you have kids at home, you can actually make buns of different figures. Scallop bun is something that a lot of Chinese like to eat. They eat that with food. So for me, I've never tried making that before. But if you've seen that video, it was not so difficult to make. It's actually quite easy to make. In the past, I used to make them but using plain flour, and the bun turned out to be really a bit yellowish and not so soft. So in this video, I try to share with you some of my experience. Hopefully you will be successful also making this bun white and puffy and light. Gaya. In the past, I think I made a live streaming on this gaya, but it was a disaster because the cooking time was too long, and at the end it didn't really turn out so well. In this video, I teach you how to make kaya within 15 minutes. Kaya is a coconut jam where we Singaporean like to eat for breakfast. So it's really easy to make. If you like coconut and egg, this is the recipe for you. So in Sweden, we have a problem getting fresh coconut. I will prove to you that you can also use canned coconut to make this kaya successfully. I like cake that are not too sweet because I'm scared of putting on weight. So pandan cake is a really easy to make cake, and you see in this video that I make this 3 layers cake with the green, the brown and the vanilla flavors. I got a lot of good response from this video. Even the sweet started to make this, and some of them asked me where to find this pandang. You know, if you are health conscious, you could also reduce the amount of sugar. So basically this cake used quite a lot of eggs and it's high in protein, so it's not that unhealthy compared to the traditional cake with a lot of creams. Tiao is something that we Singaporean eat because we travel to Malaysia a lot, and over the stops, you know, we have some toilet stop and you get to buy these boxes of the cookies that has this mung bean paste in it. So I really miss that. Don't have friends who can bring me that, so I decided, why not make that myself? But if you follow my recipe, you will find that actually it's not that difficult to make. It's actually quite easy. You have to make 2 different types of dough. One is the oil dough and one is a water dough. Then you create these layers of pastry. That is why this cookie is so popular, because people really enjoy the layers of pastry. And also because it is not so sweet, it is a slightly savory. So this is really good for those of you who a bit hesitant when it comes to over sweet dessert or snacks. I have so many videos. I have more than 60 videos in this playlist, and the last one that I would like to recommend you is this tiao. I've seen it somewhere on social media. Someone used roti prata, which is the Indian bread, to make tiao. You can buy this frozen roti prata, just cut them into strips and just deep fry them in oil, and you can use this right away to eat your beancurd or your congee. It's really convenient instead of making it yourself. So a lot of people were saying, hey, that idea was really good, but I couldn't remember who or where I saw that video, so I couldn't give credit to that person. Sorry. And the link for all this video is below. You can check out my playlist. I have over 60 videos where you can see. Some of the video are recorded video. Those that, if you don't have patience, you can go and check it out on those videos that are very short. Those are pre-recorded videos. But if you have patience and you don't mind watching a live stream, I also have a lot of live stream video where I, step by step show people in real time, real situation, whether or not this recipe will work or not. I notice a lot of you guys like to watch my previous video about my top 8 videos. So I plan to do more of this kind of video. So let me know if you like this idea. So my next video I'm gonna make is Christmas video. Since Christmas is approaching, you guys might need some recipes. So stay tuned to my top 6 Christmas recipe from my channel. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and give a thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Alright? Bye bye.